यो व्हाट्सअप, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? अगर आप पहचान गए ये कौन है, so do tell me in the comment sections down below. Okay, now without wasting time, let's start our video. Have you guys ever filled out a form and instantly regretted it? Don't worry guys, you are not the only one. In this video I'll show you how you can magically erase any handwriting from your forms in just seconds. So now let's clean it up. First of all, select the rectangle tool from here. Yeah. Now select the portion like this, okay? Yeah, okay. Now press Control C and Control V. Yeah, can you see now? A layer 1 is created. Now go to that layer 1 and select that layer 1, okay? After selecting the layer 1, press Control T. You see now, you can now easily adjust this layer anywhere you want. That's how easily you can remove any handwriting from your form. Go to the place that layer there, yeah, and see, in just seconds you have done it like this. Okay, so yeah, guys, see how easy you can remove any handwriting from your form instantly. So yeah, if you want to do like erase further handwriting, what you need to do is again go to the layer 1, press Control C, Control V. Layer 2 would be created like this. See, now press Control T. What you will do is to go to that place you want to remove, place that this there like this, and that's it. That's how you can do it. Okay guys, hope you guys have understand. If you have any questions, tell me in the comment sections, and further tell me what you guys want to learn more. Please like, share and comment, and also tell me what further you want to study or learn. To tell me, okay? Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.